Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Memrise and picking a course that matches your goal. This matters because alignment keeps practice efficient. Once done, select level and course variant, official for structure or community for variety. Make sure to enable notifications and download lessons if you'll be offline. That preserves streaks and momentum. Start the first session immediately to seed spaced repetition data. You'll see why early practice tailors future reviews and reduces total study time. Next, move through the learn then practice then speed review loop. This sequence builds recognition, recall, and automaticity. When you hear native audio, repeat aloud and use the microphone option to compare. Pronunciation feedback refines muscle memory. Once done with a lesson, do the timed speed review to boost retrieval under pressure. Make sure to toggle playback speed for tricky sounds and adjust session length in settings so reviews stay focused, not exhausting. Finally, review your dashboard to track words learned, accuracy percentage, streak, and upcoming reviews so you steer study time wisely. Once you spot weak items, flag them or create a custom deck to concentrate repetitions. That accelerates mastery. If sync problems occur, sign out and back in or force refresh. Reinstall only if needed, and always use an account login so progress is backed up. If audio or mic misbehaves, check app permissions and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.